How would go? Serialization exercise. Implement the methods below to practice using reflection of C# significant noise to respectfully operate the fields of an object and runtime. Concept. The methods will cover use getType on an object to retrieve its type object. Is that reflection? GetType? Use getFields to retrieve information about the fields of a type. Use the binding flags enum to specify which fields to retrieve. Public private instance. Use getCustom attribute to check for the presence of the non-serialized attribute on fields. Custom attribute to check for the non-serialized. Okay, I kind of remember like serialization. Serialized, like, isn't that like a Unity thing? Oh, TTS, you're right. Yes, it is time. I'll fix it. I always forget to set it up at the beginning of the stream. I have to do this every single time. But one day I'll remember to do it. There, it should be fixed now. I have to like load in the voices within my web browser every single time. It's kind of weird, but it should work now. But yeah, this part get the whole serialized. What you're talking about, non-serialized attribute. When I hear serialization, I think to myself like, oh, that's like Unity, because that's like the thing to use to get it to show up in the editor. I think, but is it? I'm guessing this isn't. Hmm. Oh.
Legion 18C säger, the whole exercise is about making your own custom simple
Oh.
serializer.
Something saved to a file. Oh, that's cool. Let's see. You custom attribute check. Okay. You will also need to handle the non-serialized
Legion
attribute to
18C
exclude
säger,
certain fields.
serialization is not exclusive to
Oh.
Unity.
Oh, it can be used for other things too. It just so happens that Unity uses it to put their thingies in the editor. That's the way they use it, I guess. That's cool. This tutorial will only handle fields of type string, int, and bool for simplicity. Yay. You can assume that the target objects will only contain fields of these types. Next, you will implement a simple serialization and deserialization mechanism that converts an object's fields to a string format. Ooh. And back to an object instance. Oh, that's fun. I think serialization is cool and fun, and I like. That's one thing I've always liked in coding is like the idea of like data. I like data. Like you can save data to files. You can keep it forever. It's kind of like how I'm like into books and collecting books and stuff, right? It's like that, except with code and files, and then you can have all this data that is like yours. I think that's cool. Um, it satisfies my hoarding tendencies in a way in which I don't actually have to physically hoard. Yeah. For the type string and bool. Next, you implement a simple serialization and deserialization mechanism that converts an object's fields to a string format back to an object instance. Normally, we serialize to a format like JSON or XML. However, for this exercise, we will use a custom and straightforward format to focus on the reflection aspects of the problem. For readability, we'll make one field per line. Uh, and format each line as field name value. For example, a field name number with the value 42 serializes number 42. Ooh. Values should be formatted differently based on their type. Int field should be serialized as a numeric value. Bool field should be serialized as true or false. String field should be serialized with quotes. And any new line character should be encoded as new. A null string should be serialized as null without quotes. A serialized string of the simple class, see the definition towards the bottom of this file, should look something like this. Number 42, enabled true. Label. Oh, these are, oh, I see. These are just different examples. Label hello world. Simple class. Oh, it says nothing. Class with everything. Didn't it say there'd be a definition for simple class at the bottom? Maybe it meant bottom of explanation. I don't know. Or maybe it's not there. Once you completed this exercise, you can take the next step by enabling the run extra tests in the configure method.
Legion
Configure.
18C
Oh, configure
säger
is right here.
TTS.
Yes. Yes. I fix the TTS now. After serializing the objects, you will implement a method to deserialize the string back into an object of the specified type, reconstructing the object. The types used in this exercise can be found at the bottom of this page for reference.
Centralikan säger That's a really big comment.
Where is that?
Legion 18C säger Simple class is towards
Oh,
the
is this?
bottom. Just note at the very bottom. You've scrolled past it multiple times.
Oh, okay. I interpreted that as like the bottom being the very bottom, not like below, like somewhere. They're simple class. I mean, I didn't know though that like, so you're saying get type and get fields. This is reflection. I'd known about the method get type because I've used it before. I think. Huh, in I just thought of it as just a method though, just some random, just a useful method within C#.
Centralikan säger Getfields is more reflection than gettype immo.
Hmm.
Rewinds
This will
säger
add.
Good morning.
Hi, Rewind. This is my last problem to solve before doing Unity things. This is one Legion made for me, which is really nice. Oh, hi! There you are, Corrupt. I I thought you had a headache. Don't make your headache worse. Whatever you do. So if having the stream open at all makes it worse, you should go rest.
Centralikan säger
Since
Reflection
your
is
name is
basically
Red,
a
I thought you were
solution for
Legion
when you can't access
speaking
something the normal way.
the normal way. Ha! You're cool. This will add additional tests that cover edge cases and error handling. Such as invalid input formats, missing fields, and more. Finally, if you wish to challenge yourself even further, you can
Centralikan
expand the
säger
scope of your
My name keeps
serializer's
changing colors
capabilities.
I gotta set it so it stops doing that.
Yeah. Every single time, a new color. Good morning, everyone. This is cast. Yeah. Finally, if you wish to challenge yourself even further, you can expand the scope of your serializer's capabilities by adding support for additional data types, collections, and nested objects. Nested objects! Wow. Wait, is this like the same thing as a nested class? But it's just like an object that's made. It's an object made from a nested class? Or it's like an object inside of an object. That's probably what that means, actually. That you could have an object made that's inside of another object. These are their types. For example, has support for all primitive types such as float, double, char, etc. Add support for specific types like date, time, time span, etc. Add support for collections such as arrays and lists, where you would need to serialize each element in the collection and handle the collection as a whole. Add support for nested objects, where a field is itself an object that needs to be serialized and deserialized recursively.
Centralican säger, Reflection Fundament Ally lets you access fields, methods, properties, etc. Overall called members, be their name, parameters, access modifiers, etc.
Members. By their name, parameters, access modifiers, etc. Oh, okay. That's cool. And it lets you access them, but it doesn't let you modify the code, right? Isn't that what makes reflection like safe and good? Is it lets you like access them and then you can like make your own copy, but like you can't still like touch the code and break anything. Maybe.
Centralican säger, well you can't modify the code anyway without some super difficult technical stuff. Centralican
Add
säger,
support for
but
more
if you mean
attributes,
changing
like
the values or stuff, you can do that with reflection.
oh wow, okay, you can do that. Oh, okay.
Legion 18C säger, you can access them and invoke them, call methods or assign fields and properties. You cannot change the code itself, but you can absolutely
Oh, but
do
you can
things
still do
wrong
things
that
that mess
causes
things up.
errors.
Interesting. Okay, I just oh. Is there a way, like, okay, if a developer doesn't want someone to do this, like they just don't want someone else being able to use reflection, is there like any way for them to like stop this from happening? Like, like some weird attribute that's like, don't, no, like real private, like true private, like this is actually private. Add support for more attributes like renaming fields during serialization or marking fields as required during deserialization. Huh. I haven't added any extra tests for these, but you can create your own test cases to validate your
Centralican
implementation of these
säger,
additional
I think
features.
so, if so then it has to do with modifying the permissions you give to the other person's functions before you call them. Centralican säger, I'd how to do that but I'm sure that's a Google search away.
Huh. Okay, so it's probably some way
Centralican
to do something like
säger,
that.
but besides
Let's
that,
do more.
no.
Oh, so permission of their
Centralikan
functions.
säger,
Oh.
that's mostly a security thing.
Yeah, I was also thinking about it in that kind of context too, like with security and.
Rewins ett säger, you can't stop me from accessing the members when improving the ramby handleende
Oh
ansikten
my
musik.
god, runs.
Centralikan säger, true.
Wow. It's funny. Using system.reflection. Oh, there it is. Public static class serialization exercise. Okay, so here are the reference ones. Enable. Public static void configure. Run simple test tree, run extra test false. Set this to the test number to run only that test. That's cool. Or leave it as -1 to run all tests. Set what to a specific test number? Oh, serialization. Oh, okay, so it's commented out. Serialization extra test that runs specific tests if it's -1. Cool. That's cool. That is cool. Yeah, maybe I'll just do it like one by one then. I think that makes sense. I don't know if you're starting at 0. Are you starting at 0 or 1? I would like to believe you started at 1. Well, maybe I'll just try it. It's the only way to find out. Oh, okay. It's just really slow. Oh yeah, it starts at 1. Also, I just realized the window doesn't show up. I need to make a new window capture. Copy paste this window. Control V. There we go. Why is it doing? Oh, I see.
Centralikan säger, examples of when reflection is used to access members you don't have access to, such as private or
I need to
internal,
make a new
when
window
you know
capture from
what class,
scratch.
method to look for but can't explicitly reference it because it may be in an arbitrary assembly, such as for loading modes. Centralikan säger, and for cases like this whole testing exercise, where they expect you to implement certain methods, fields, and classes, but they want the test to spit out a digestible error in case those members aren't properly defined, attempting to access them via reflection returns null,
Why did
whereas attempting
it
to
didn't show
access them
anything?
normally creates a compiler error. Centralikan säger, and when you want to access compiler-generated stuff that you can't write out without creating a syntax error or because the compiler stops you.
Examples of when reflection is used to access members you don't have access to, such as private or internal.
Just works okay
When
säger,
you know
just
what
check the
class/method to
disassembly
look
again.
for, we can't explicitly reference it because it may be in an arbitrary assembly, just for loading lots. When you know what class/method to look for. And for cases like this whole testing exercises where they expect you to implement certain methods, field, and classes, but they want the test to spit out a digestible error in case those members aren't properly defined. Attempting to access them via reflection returns null, whereas attempting to access them normally creates compiler error. Oh! Oh, that's cool. So that's one of the differences. Like you can try to access something and if it doesn't work, everything's still fine. Hmm. And when you want to access compiler generates stuff that you can't write out without creating a syntax error because the compiler stops you. Hmm. Oh, that's cool. Wait, let me look at these. Some class label number enabled. Oh wait, let me see. Wait, let me run this again. Because I don't think it. I don't know why it's showing as black. This box is black. It shouldn't be black. Um, I might change like the cap. I might have to mess with the settings to get it. There we go. Um. Okay, so that's the. I think that's the first one. Let me just. Let's go. I'm curious to see what will happen. Set it to 0 and see if it'll show a test for that. Oh, that's what happens. All 0 tests pass. Great job. I did it. I wasn't even sure if it would break or I just want to see what behavior it would have. Okay, so it does start at count 1. Right, simple class, public class, public string text. Public int number, public bool enabled. Class with non-serialized. Public string visible. Non-serialized public string hidden. Okay, class with private fields. Private string, private field. Public class with private fields. Public class with private fields. String private field. List of private field. It's private field. Let me just be like a constructor. Wait, wouldn't this be like 2 constructors? Because this would be a constructor, and then this is also a constructor. I think this is because these are samples. Like,
Legion 18C säger you can have multiple constructors.
oh, oh, you can have more than one. Oh yeah, that's a thing. Thanks. Public class with everything. Public string, public field. Non-serialized public int, non-serialized public. Private string, private field. Non-serialized private int, non-serialized private. Public class with everything, public class with everything. Int, non-serialized public. It's everything! What the hell? What's this? What is question mark? Question mark? Question mark? I question mark that. Oh wait, is that the thing that tells it to do to treat it as a wasn't there a thing about this in exorcism a long time ago about treating it as it can be a nullable field or
Region
something?
18C säger It's a null check.
Oh. Oh, that's like if it's null, then throw this. Name of field.
Legion 18C säger Yes, exactly.
Oh.
Centralicant säger If you ever put a field like public field name är lika med value under the hood, it just puts this field name är lika med value at the top of your constructors. Centralicant säger Fun fact.
Ever put a field like public field name equals value? This dot field name equals value for constructors. Field name. Think about it. Oh. Oh, that's fun. That is fun. He. Non-serialized public equals non-serialized public. This dot private field equals private field. Section name of non-serialized private. So private. Public class serialized nothing. Non-serialized public int A. Non-serialized private string B. Public serialized nothing. There's nothing on X string B. Oh, I see. Oops, okay. Implement. Oh yeah, we could field by name. Implement this method to retrieve a field info from the given type by its name. A field info.
Centralicant säger He remembered there being something about methods that made them especially tricky in some cases.
Some fields in the object are private. Use the binding flags enum to retrieve them. The get fields and get custom attribute methods would be useful here.
Centralicant säger He
Some
think it
fields
was
might
the
have
case of
a
trying to
non-serialized
reference a
attribute.
specific
Those need
method
to be
with a
excluded from the
specific
results.
signature when there were multiple methods that
You can
have
use
the
this
same
method as a
name but
helper
different parameters.
for the deserialized object method below. So wait, what's the actual first test? What does it do? Find a public field. You can use this method as a helper for the stairs like option method to go. Get field by name, type, string, field name. Okay. So I think I'm to assume that get fields is like something in the C# library, and so is get custom attributes. Yeah, here it is. Get field. And then the first one I'll probably need to use is let's find a public field. So get fields. So can I just type that? Yes. Type. Does not exist. Get fields. I'm gonna do a Google search for
Centralikan
get field to
säger
see if this is
type
like a thing.
getfield.
Type.get. Oh. Thank you. Type dot get fields.
Centralikan säger in general type of type name getfield. Centralikan säger but you have type value already in this case.
Oh, that's it. And then gives me a build error for this. General type of type name bucket field.
Centralikan
Oh.
säger getfield is what you want, not getfields.
Oh. Really? Is it because this is the previous build? Oh, it says find a public
Centralikan
field, and
säger
that's one
getfields
field.
returns asterisk all asterisk the fields are
I
some
don't know
array.
why that creates an error though. All the fields is an array. Oh. Wait, actually.
Centralikan
Field
säger
name.
because it needs parameters.
Probably the field. Oh. I still have a build error. Okay, maybe this is the wrong parameters. Searches for the public field with the
Centralikan
specified
säger
name.
well you're not returning it low.
Oh. But this is static. Oh wait, no, field info. It does have a return type. Wait,
Centralikan
I'm
säger
stupid. I'm
så.
stupid. I mean, this of course static things can have return types. What am I thinking? I don't. Nothing apparently. So I don't know if this is like a. Okay, I can't even spell return. I don't know if this returns a field info, but like, hopefully it does.
Centralikan säger god salt in your brain. Centralikan säger brain.
I passed it! Well, that's it. I did it. I solved the problem. That's everything. We're
Centralikan
done.
säger
We're
you
done
put
here with
salt
coding
in
for
my
today.
brain too
Yay!
apparently.
No, I have salt in my brain. Yeah. Oh, that's cool. Okay, let's see what test 2 is all about. And then eventually I'll run all the tests and make sure they all pass together, but find a private field, test pass. Oh, it tests for that too. But let's run them all and see which ones pass so I know where to start. Get field by name tests. Find a public field. Pass. Find a private field. Pass. Fields with non-serialized attributes should return null. And then yes, okay.
Centralikan säger oh yeah, since you're in Visual Studio now, you can open your compiled output in the spy and see what it looks like.
As if I don't think I actually have the by installed, so some might have to do that. I think I might. I don't know. Um, get custom attribute useful. Okay. So if type.
Centralikan säger it's just a zip file with an
Wait, how's
executable in it ready to use,
I
so it's
mildly forgot
nothing
how to write an
difficult
if
to get.
statement if you do that it like this, but whatever, it's fine. Get custom attributes. Choose custom attributes for type. Oh my god, the pop-up
Centralikan
is annoying
säger
me.
get
Oh my god,
custom
I can't
attributes,
like
what's up?
click. There we go. The pop-up was
Centralikan
actually
säger
getting in the
never
way of
used
me
that.
typing.
Centralikan
So I think I
säger
need to
he can't
tell it
see
which
the
one.
pop-up now.
And it'll be non-serialized attribute. Is attribute a type? Because it needs type, it needs. Oh no, let's do it. Non-serialized, I guess. Is this a type? Okay, maybe not. Or is the type something else and then his name is non-serialized? But I don't. Oh, you don't see the pop-ups. Yeah, when I hover over. That's funny.
Centralikan säger does it accept a type as a value?
Yes.
Centralikan säger if so, it's gonna be a type of type name and not just type name.
Oh, wait. Actually, what does it accept then? It says type attribute type into the and then there's +3
Centralikan
overloads as
säger
well, but
so in this case ig type of non-serialist. Centralikan säger, or whatever.
Oh. Type of. And why do the semicolons look weird? Should it really be like, should it really be off like this? Huh, whatever.
Centralikan säger, you can't use a type as a value for anything except generics, so other than that, you always have to do type of operator.
Except generic, so. Well, apparently there was one that had generics. I don't know if I'm using the wrong thing, and I should be using the one that has the generics attached. Oh, I probably should be using this one. Maybe. Uh, or something. Apparently this is something.
Centralikan säger, missing.
This was an option in the ID he gave me. Oh, but it's still red anyway. Missing. Oh. Oh wait, and it needs it. God, this pop up. I swear. I swear, how do you, I don't even know, how do you deal with these? I have to use the arrow keys now to actually get over here. Oh my god. Um,
Centralikan säger, yeah arrow keys or Google where the setting is to disable pop-ups.
Okay, this still was an error. Could not be found. Are you seeing or an assembly reference?
Centralikan säger, what did the error say?
It says the type or namespace name non-serialized could not be found. Are you missing a using directive or an assembly
Greenwindset
reference?
säger, what pop-ups like inte license. Legion 18C säger, don't forget good
Oh,
old
escape to
escape
go
button
away.
to go away.
Yeah, like the IntelliSense pops up and then it
Centralikan
covers like the
säger,
whole screen,
non-serialist
so I
doesn't
can't
exist
click where
is
I
what
need to
that
go to
means.
type. And I'm like, no. Yeah, I figure, but like, I guess it doesn't exist because I'm using the wrong syntax to access it or something. I don't know. I've never had to like work with like an actual. Oh wait, you know what? Maybe I just have to do get custom attribute like this. Oh, never mind. Maybe I was thinking like maybe it's just a method and it will just grab whatever's there, and then I can just be like if it's equal to non-serialized or something. But I don't think it works like this either. Oh God.
Centralikan säger, what are you trying to get the custom attributes of?
I'm trying to get the custom attributes, for example, of I want a field that has an attribute
Legion 18C säger,
non-serialized, and if
in
it
Visual
has this
Studio,
field, I
you
want to
can put
return
the
null and
cursor
not
on
the
the
field.
error, hit left, Ctrl plus, and then it should give you the option to auto add the missing using.
Oh, on the error, hit Control plus. Am I missing a using? So I actually need a using here?
Legion 18C säger, possibly, he wrote this a long time ago.
Oh. Okay. Get. Is an attribute a type though? Like, is it treated like a type in like the sense that, because usually a type goes inside of the generics, right? But is the attribute a type? I can be like this.
Legion 18C säger, yes. Centralikan säger,
Oh,
yes.
so Control plus. What did you say?
Legion 18C säger, we see the issue.
Hit
Legion
left Control
18C säger,
plus.
it's non-serialized attribute.
Oh,
Centralikan säger, I think it's gonna be, yet custom attributes on the field info
and then
returned by
I
yet
just
field.
Control plus and it will add what I need.
Legion
Control.
18C säger, left control plus dot.
Left Control plus dot. Nothing happens. Nothing happens! Left Control plus. But wait, I'm on like a US keyboard. Does this matter? Left Control plus dot. Oh, and then it offers me change get custom attribute to get custom attributes. That's what it offered. It offered me to just change it to put an S at the end.
Centralikan säger, middle control plus dot. Legion 18C säger, that might matter.
Oh, middle control. Still the only thing it offers to do for me is change get custom attribute to get custom attributes with an S. That's what are the only changes it's suggesting. To do this. And that doesn't seem to do anything. Oh wait, get. Get custom attributes on the field info. Oh, so it is with an, okay, yeah, with an S. Get custom attributes. I'm gonna try this. Attribute?
Legion 18C säger, how do you call a method?
Oh, like this. Right? But and then I need to,
Legion
its name
18C
is
säger, okay, now what does the
non-serialized,
error say?
or maybe it's like this. I don't know. Try.
Legion 18C säger, read the ERRO.
What is there? The name non-serialized does not exist in the current context. Okay, because that would be like a variable. And then this error says cannot convert from string to bool.
Centralikan säger
True?
type, getfield, get custom
I don't
attributes, type
know.
of, non-serialized attribute, true. Legion 18C säger read the error before you started changing.
I'm
Use
trying!
insättningstecken,
Type the
insättningstecken.
get field, get custom attributes type of non-serialized. Oh, non-serialized attribute. And a bool. Oh, jeez. Why is it so complicated? Oh my god, type of. Why are there so many things into this?
Centralikan säger if I'm reading what my then spy is telling me. Legion 18C säger remove the true, then read the error.
Okay. It just says cannot complicitly
Centralikan
convert type
säger
to
or of
bool.
the type if you want it of the whole type.
That's what all it says. It isn't like. Or of the type of.
Legion 18C säger and why is that a problem?
Because it won't fucking run? I don't know. Because it won't do what I want it to do. This is why it's a problem. I answer you literally. Because it hates me. Discrimination. It's not question anymore. Yes.
Legion 18C säger why is the type not being a bool a problem when it's in an if statement?
Oh. Well, because it needs a bowl. Because I haven't finished doing the. Let's just take it out of the if statement for now. I mean, eventually I want it in an if statement. Something in the if statement. Okay, here's a placeholder. I just want to stop yelling at me. Oh. Okay, let's work with it here, and then I'll put it in the if statement later. There. It's perfect. um.
Legion 18C säger cool, what does the method give you?
Yeah, that's a good question. What will this return? Um. Clearly not a bool, because if it did, then that wouldn't have been annoying. Um. Get custom attributes.
Legion 18C
I'm not
säger
actually even sure
tilt
what
your cursor
what
over
this
it,
would
it will tell
return.
you about the method.
I am putting it over, but it's so cryptic. Oh wait, choose a collection of custom attributes of a specified type. A collection. Oh,
Centralikan säger
returns a
a
collection
list
of the
of all
custom attributes that
attributes
are
that
applied
match
to
the
elements
attribute you
and that
specify.
match T. Or an empty collection if no such attributes exist. So a collection. What's a collection? Like a collection's just a type? Is a list a collection? Ugh.
Centralikan säger applied to the thing you specified before the dot. Centralikan säger a collection is just something like a list or an array.
Mm. So does that mean that to see if the attributes in this list, I have to go through the list, basically? Like I have to enumerate through the list or whatever to check for, does it have, non-serialized? Does it have
Centralikan säger,
non-serialized?
but more generally they have a specific interface for it.
Extraordinary.
Centralikan säger, no you just check if list length är större än
Oh,
null
yeah!
or not.
Because if it has this, then it'll be greater than 0. Yeah, you're right. So I could have done if this thing. Can I just straight up go greater than 0? Like you did? Or that length. That's a property, right? I think so. No, come back. Oh my god, I can't get it to come back now. Oh, it's Control Z. I'm stupid. Never mind. Um,
Legion 18C säger,
okay,
probably,
so
count. Centralikan säger, insättningstecken.
count. Oh, count. Hmm.
Centralikan säger, because C# devs are fucking weird and annoying.
Because they're weird and annoying.
Centralikan
Yeah.
säger, couldn't just do length all around.
I know. So for the collections or whatever, they're like, let's call it count. And the other ones, like, they just specify that it's called list. What's wrong here? Operator cannot be applied to operands of type method group and
Legion 18C säger, length is only used for arrays, everything else is count.
I should do this.
Centralikan säger,
Everything
exactly.
else is count except for arrays. That sounds dumb. Wow. Count is not null. Okay, what? Operator greater than cannot be applied to operands of type method group and int.
Legion 18C säger, true count. Legion 18C säger, try asterisk.
It's a method? It's a I thought it was a wait, this is a property? Why do I need
Centralikan säger, dumb shit.
this seems Do you always have to do this with properties? I thought like you could do it why do I need parentheses? Why? What
Centralikan
is
säger,
this?
in we bet you can fix this with an extension method. Rewinset säger, are you having fun
No.
yet?
No, it feels like No, it's
Centralikan
horrible.
säger, oh wait no BC it's still gonna need parents. Legion 18C säger, yeah, whether it's a method or property is a little random dumb shit sometimes.
Oh my god. So this is not a property then, because of the parentheses. It is actually a method in this case. It's just like, yeah, that sounds dumb. That sounds really dumb. It's like randomly guess. Like, okay, let's put the parentheses. Doesn't work. Let's take the parentheses away. It works. And you just like flip a
Legion
coin and then try
18C
one of
säger,
them,
yeah.
then do the other if it doesn't work. That's stupid! Okay. It's funny. Um, alright.
Centralikan säger, you see the asterisk could asterisk have made count a property and not a method.
Oops. Oh, they could have, but they decided they wouldn't, and they didn't, and that's just how it ended up. That is dumb.
Centralikan säger, saving you 2 characters of input every
Ah!
time you need it.
Should return no. Expected no. But got. Class with non-serialized not hidden. So this one got through. What?
Legion 18C säger, it's probably the link extension method count you're calling, hence why it's a method. I'm not sure exactly what type the method you're calling is returning. Centralikan säger, should be int.
Hmm.
Centralikan säger, I think I remember it being int.
I guess this is the one that's doing hidden, non-serialized hidden screenshot. What? Why can't I run it anymore? Oh, because it's running.
Centralikan säger, the thing is blocking the code can TMSI.
What's blocking the code? Yeah, I just ran it again. Uh,
Centralikan säger, your console window on obs.
Oh, it's still up? Oh, there's another copy of it up. Sorry. Hmm.
Centralikan säger, I think your if is backwards. Centralikan säger, oh wait no. Centralikan säger, I'm brain deading gimme a sec.
No, you're good. Maybe it should be greater than one. No, that doesn't make sense. What if the count starts on 0? So it needs to be -1, greater than or equal to 0? Wait, no, that sounds so stupid though.
Centralikan säger, oh because you're doing type, get custom attributes and no type, get field, get custom attributes.
It's like a field to get custom attribute. What? Oh, does that matter? Get custom attributes of a specified type.
Centralikan
And
säger,
apply
you're
to.
getting the attributes of the type, not the field.
Oh, in case. Oh, yeah, it's about the fields types. Oh, you're right. Yee. Type dots. Oh, that's why it said the get fields and get custom attributes will be useful here. It literally fucking says it in the instructions. Funny. I never used get field. Oh.
Centralikan säger, so it is exactly what I pointed out an hour ago, lol.
Oh, it is. Oh wait, I did use down here. Uh. Ah. What? Exception, does that show up on the stream too? No, this window doesn't show.
Centralikan säger,
Um,
alright legionsgodis, I
I just
gotta
got an
köpa I for
exception.
A-bit, head still hurts.
Exception user unhandled value cannot be null. I can check that box that makes it go away.
Centralikan säger, oh. Centralikan säger, alright yeah. Deflagstreams säger, you have a meeting so we have to go but good to see you stream
Hi,
now.
Deflux. Thanks,
Centralikan
Deflux. Nice to
säger,
see you
get field
again.
can return null.
So
Centralikan säger,
should I
gotta
uncheck
check
the
for
box break
that.
when this exception type is user unhandled? I don't know. I'm just gonna uncheck it. I don't care. I just wanted to go away. System.argument no exception value cannot be null. Like, go away. Yes, it can. I don't like you. There. Okay, anyway, I run again. And it failed.
Legion
Find it
18C
private.
säger,
Oh,
yeah,
there's a
that's
what?
fine. I personally always hate that exception pop-up.
Oh, but it broke the test though. Anyway, because during exceptions, isn't an argument null test value cannot be null for number. Number 3 passes now though, but it broke number 2. Number 2 was passing before.
Centralikan säger, if the field is private and some other cases, you have to specify binding flags in the get field.
Oh my god, it just it says something like that in the instructions, but I didn't really understand that. Is private in some other cases. Oh, so this is like a special thing if the field's private. So stupid. Ah, okay. Where did it mention binding flags?
Centralikan säger, like type, get field, field name, binding flags, instance, binding flags, non-public.
Wow. So non-public is private. finding. Wow. But then why? I don't understand. Why did it worked before, and there was also some private field in there before I added this whole like
Centralikan
this
säger
part
all
in the
binding
code.
flags,
It worked
static
before.
binding
It's only
flags,
test 3 that
non-delete.
didn't pass.
Legion 18C säger not actually
Oh
sure
yeah,
why
it
it worked
did. It
before.
looked weird.
Centralikan säger because you weren't doing a.access on yet field maybe. Centralikan säger int.
Oh, but then I had the return type.get field though thing here. Is that different than what you're saying? Oh, because there's another dot access after get field. I'm trying to get the attributes, and then that's where the problem comes in.
Legion 18C säger that test is for finding a private field. If that returned null before, because no binding flags, then it should have failed. S. Centralikan säger do console,
Oh,
write line, field value är lika med plus type, get field, field name. Centralikan säger for debugging.
okay. Consoles dot write line. This.
Centralikan säger well note where it doesn't run. Centralikan säger at the top of method.
Oh, sorry. Oh yeah, because there's. Okay. Where is it?
Centralikan säger okej hum.
Oh yeah, because this
Centralikan
isn't
säger
the.
why is it empty?
Why is what empty? Yeah, why did it not show up? Yeah, it's so weird that like. It's so weird that it works without that top line.
Centralikan
Unless
säger
there's something wrong
view
with the
console,
test.
right line, field value, plus type, name plus,
But
plus
it
field name
passes
plus,
without
är
that
lika
line.
med plus type, get field, field name. Centralikan säger change it to that so we know what it's trying to get.
Is it even running that? Because like where even is that? I don't even see the console window changing at all from that code. Oh wait, there it is actually. Oh,
Centralikan
I see it.
säger
Never
in
mind.
the
It was
test
right
2.
here. It's where I put it. Right? Or no? I don't know. I don't know. Under test 2. Oh.
Centralikan
Oh.
säger yeah.
Oh, that's the modification that's adding this extra. Oh, cool. Yeah, and the one that's passing that weirdly without binding flags. Oh, and it's empty. What? So if it's empty, then it passes. If it's null, it freaks out. I guess. And that's really it. Like empty's fine. Something like that.
Centralikan säger also you should store your get field into a variable so you don't have to copy paste.
Yeah, instead of saying
Centralikan
doing get.
säger field info är lika med etc.
Yeah. Field value, type name. Symbol class. Field name. Number. Target field.
Centralikan säger I think they might just be bad at testing with the private one.
Yeah, that's the problem with it. Because empty is different than null, right? Basically.
Centralikan säger it probably doesn't work. Legion 18C säger let me have a look at why it's passing on null, cause it shouldn't, it should
Hmm.
find the private field. The reason that it's freaking out with the attribute check is because you're calling get custom attributes on a null object. Centralikan
Oh.
säger yeah why it's empty.
Oh, that's what's happening?
Centralikan
What?
säger if it was null, it should print null.
Oh, okay, so something was just wrong with that test case. I see. I'm trying to call on him. That is interesting.
Centralikan säger, oh no, I'm wrong, it does print empty.
Oh.
Centralikan säger, must be getting it mixed up with another language. Centralikan säger, so
Mhm.
it's failing the private test even though it says passed.
Oh. So then that's but then why does it say pass then? If it is failing it. This is weird.
Centralikan säger, add that binding flags, non-public flag to 2 en parameter of get field.
So there's just something wrong with like display for this?
Legion 18C säger, I found the issue. There's a typo in the testing code.
Oh.
Rewins et säger, now
F
that
sharp.
you have
No,
Visual
not F
Studio you
sharp.
can use the best language F-nummertecken.
Huh. What do I need to do, to fix the typo?
Centralikan säger, Legion nice.
Hmm. F sharp is painful to look at. Aw, thanks, Legion. Hmm.
Centralikan säger, is this Legions code?
Mm-hmm. This is Legion wrote all this for me because exorcism doesn't have a problem for reflection. So Legion made a reflection one so I could do it at the end of the tree. I'm at a throwing knife for Legion.
Centralikan säger, I'll try it out to later, see if he still remember how to code.
Ooh! Yay.
Centralikan säger, I've procrastinated sleep for too long and my headache
Aw, good
got
night.
worse i GTG.
Thanks so much for coming and helping
Rewins
me
et
out
säger,
again.
at
Corrupt,
Centralikan
even
gone.
though you have a headache. That's very nice of you. But I hope you get a good sleep and then it goes away. Because, like, literally headaches are the worst. I have, like, a very small one right now, but it's really, really small. It's so mild in the back of my head. But headaches are annoying. So I have. I think while I wait on that test case, I might um save time by starting a little bit while I wait on the dance for beginner on the next podcast.
Hej alle sammen, og velkommen tilbage til podcasten Dansk for Begyndere. Som altid er jeg rigtig glad og taknemmelig for, at du lytter med i dag. I dagens afsnit skal vi tale om kolonihaver. Et emne, som er
säger send the updated tests file to you. I think Irena made some things at some point and didn't update the tests.
Oh. Okay. That's me. Go and delete exercise.cs. Oh wait, no, wrong one. I deleted the wrong file. How do I undo that? I'm supposed to do the test one. But I probably just go into the trash and grab it again.
Legion 18C säger Hua. Legion 18C säger find it in the trash can maybe.
Yeah, also I didn't mean to pin this. Oops. Yes, okay. Fine. In the trash and put it back and hopefully it's fine. And update Discord. This one. Okay.
Legion 18C säger you weren't doing so bad that you should just delete everything.
Oh, yeah, that's true. Look, everything's just as it was. Okay, well, I guess let's run it and see if that fails now. Is it supposed to? I guess. It's sad. Because I almost liked my free pass. Aha! And this one failed too. Oh, yeah. Oh, no, because I'm not running the code that solves this one yet. Okay, so I start by dealing with number 2 now. But got no. Okay. E. Ah! My free pass was removed. Okay, so it seems like the binding flags thing is like an argument that goes in. So I need to basically be like, if it's no, which maybe I could use this thing that I saw that I asked you. Like, what's that? Because if it's then if it's no, then I could type the get name. But like with the binding flags thing, okay, sick. Yeah.
Legion 18C säger yes, that should actually work.
Except it didn't. Oh, because maybe I have to return it? I have to able to return like this? Oh wait, no, that's okay, no.
Legion 18C säger no, you're already returning.
Yeah.
Legion 18C säger you probably need more binding flags, like binding flags, instance.
Oh. I don't know, why would just my one binding flag not be good enough? Why do I need I don't really understand why I would need the other ones. So because shouldn't it just being yeah. It fails anyway. Search.
Legion 18C säger really, that fails.
Yep. Should I try static? Fail. Okay, should try it.
Legion 18C säger definitely not static.
Okay. Not
Legion 18C säger, can you see the console quickly?
Yeah.
Legion 18C säger, that shouldn't say, flag.
Oh. Interesting. Likes a private field. Okay. 967. There it is. 67. Private field. Oh yeah, it's display. There we go. Yay. Okay, now I want to try removing the instance and just searching with non-public. Okay, that failed. I guess we need the instance. Oh, it passes. Okay, so I have to have the instance thing, but combined with non-public together. Interesting. Okay, cool. So then I can take this and copy it into here, into the else, and then uncomment this out. And then it will break number 2 again. Because I guess I need to that I think I need more bonding, but I need in this case I think it needs this one needs to be oh, I need to do something similar with this. The no, I can figure it out. Type like a field name. Wait, could this return null? So then I'd put it here? No. I should be able to put this in here like this. I feel like type dot. Yeah, because then I could just take this. And then it can yell at me. I guess I can't do this actually. Like in this way. So then maybe I need to do it like wait, no, wait, why does move to break? Number 3 passes.
Legion 18C säger, you're calling getfield 3 times, you should really only do it once.
Yeah, that's what corrupt said. That you store it in a variable. And I know, but I'm just trying to solve it right now. Oh, okay, so this doesn't even return that. This one doesn't. I don't know what's wrong with this. Why is it? Why is that returning null now?
Legion 18C säger, want me to explain it to you.
Oh, you know why? Oh, do you think if I think about it for a bit longer, it's something I could like figure out by thinking about it, or low chances?
Legion 18C säger, yes.
Okay, I'll take a little bit of time to think about it then. Um, hmm.
Deflagstream säger, FKM up, that's what they say. Deflagstream säger, back from B's meeting.
No, hi debug.
Legion 18C säger, hint, you got a null reference exception. What line is it occurring on?
Well, I don't think it's recurring. It's occurring on this because that's why I put the console.write line to see if this is
Sensation-1984
if code's
säger
running.
there is a low chance that you could be killed
So
by Arda,
it's not
but
happening
the
in
odds are
this
not
block
zero.
here,
Beware the ducks.
but it could be happening. It's probably happening in the. It's probably happening in the where it checks. I'm guessing, or it's doing the if, or it's trying to do the condition check. It's doing that in there, I think, because also if it was
Deflagstream säger the error should tell you on which line.
oh really?
Deflagstream säger it's having.
I'll try reading it then.
Deflagstream säger
Here
line
it's supposed to
56.
say the line here. Oh
Deflagstream
wait, there it
säger
is.
C.
Line 76. Oh, that's the if statement. Yeah, up here on the thing. Systematic custom attributes. So it's actually the get field by name type string. Uh, oh, it returns null because it can't access the private one, so it becomes null object dot get custom attributes. I think. And then in the end it will just. But then, right? But then, why doesn't it still go down here? Because that should still be 0, right? Like, no, like a custom attribute should still be like there are no not then the non-serialized attribute thing isn't on there. Oh wait, but then it would return null. But then this isn't running, so none of this is running. So it just ends here because it's like if it returns null, it just fails automatically and doesn't keep going. But I don't understand. I need another if statement. I guess I don't really understand why it's doing that, but I think it is doing that. Like if this ends up
Legion
being null,
18C
it
säger
just moves
when the
on.
exception is thrown, it
Or
stops
something.
executing your
Oh,
code
because
type.
something it's oh, because it's throwing the exception. Oh, I see. And then it moves on to the next test. Oh, that makes sense because that's what you made it like that. So in that case, I think I know how I can solve it. I can nest the if statement, another if statement to check before I do the this count thing. I can check to see if it's this. Because if it is this, then it needs to skip over this if statement and jump right to the else. I don't know if this is bad design, but I'm doing it like this. If wait, and
Legion 18C
then
säger
I'm gonna
you'll really
break.
have a much easier time if you put it in a field. Also, the console is
Yeah, that
still up.
too. Oh yeah, and that. Oh yeah. I have to stop. You're right. How do I do this? If no, wait, actually no. But I'm not trying to get field here. I'm just trying to see if it's non-public only. So maybe I use something else. So what would this return if it is? Oh, wait. After if found, otherwise null. Because then that will make the other one. If any of these tests return null, they'll. Thanks, whoever followed. If any of these tests return null, they'll just stop running their code. So then this will fix the private test, but it'll break the other ones because then this is gonna there can't be null at all. No, wait, no. Damn it. I have to think about it. If no, it's just an if statement. That should be fine, right? I don't know. I'll just try it. Um, not equal. Wait. It's gonna do the same problem though. Isn't it? Wait, what did you say? When the exception is thrown, it stops executing the code there. Well, why was there an exception thrown? Why can't just things be null? Isn't it normal to sometimes have things be null? I don't understand why I can't let things. No, it doesn't compile.
Legion 18C säger, can you call methods on null objects?
Oh. No. No. You can't. I don't think my if statement's good. The same problem will happen. Yeah, I guess that's fair.
Deflagstream säger, if you could it would be heaps of fun though.
Yeah, it would. Okay, so
Legion 18C säger, well, technically you can in C++, but this is C#.
oh, see, C++ is better. If hmm.
Deflagstream säger, also can I make a mention of the control plus K plus D.
So I feel like I feel like there's like no solution I can think of right now besides something where I can actually like, check the binding flag on something. Binding flag, is this a type? Enum. possible null reference return. So maybe I just go, yeah, I could just then maybe, if my if statement was back, then
Legion 18C
if,
säger, you can make it so much easier on yourself putting the field in a variable.
okay, so let's just do that right now, so then you don't know, so it doesn't have to, so it can stop bothering people. But field, what do you, okay. You mean the field? Yeah, the field. But the field could be null. Oh, but then I can check to see if that's null. Oh yeah! It's just why variables make things better. So that, okay. Yeah. Um, hmm.
Legion 18C säger, yes.
Oh. Oh wait, no, that was what his name was gonna be. Um, field. But then the field, but I don't see how I can store it in a variable because the field could be of any type of, of type. Let's just go type, right? Or
Legion
what is the
18C
type of the
säger,
field?
is it of any type? Legion 18C säger, or is it of a specific type you're returning? Legion 18C säger, you're not storing the field's value, you're storing the.
I'm not storing the value. I'm storing the. I'm not sure. I'm not sure what I'm storing. Maybe that's why I never made. This isn't why I made a variable because I'm not sure like what it is. So it's so abstract. Um, in I'm a month.
Legion 18C säger, what is the method returning?
The type.get field. I guess it had to be that one. An object. Oh my god! So it's just object. Wait. Okay. Representing the public field with a specified name. Object.
Legion 18C säger, what is the method definition?
Oh, get field searches for the public field with a specified name. Returns an object representing the public field with a specified name, if found, otherwise null.
Legion 18C säger, online 73.
73. Get field by name?
Legion 18C säger the return type.
Field info. But that's what this. Oh. But get field doesn't return a field info. Does it return a field info? Oh, field info. Question mark type docket field. Oh, that's what it says in the thing. So maybe that's actually what it's returning.
Legion 18C säger get field returns an object of type field info.
Oh. So I should just wait, I'm confused right now. So then I can just do if. Oh, there was this auto stress in there. If field. Um. Is not equal to null. Nope, that doesn't build. Not all code paths return a value. Oh, what's oh, not anything else then. There. Oh, there. Good. Perfect. Perfect. Which means if it's not null, then I think I need this still. If it's not null, then I don't need to worry about this returning null. So then I can just delete this part and say type get field, and it should be good still. Oh, which means I could also do. I could call this like public field, maybe,
Legion
and then make
18C
one for a
säger
private
what
field.
happens with a private field with non-serialist.
Oh, but it hasn't happened yet. Not for the first 3 tests, I think. But oh, okay, I see.
Legion 18C säger that might be in the extra tests.
You just naming them in this bad. I'm renaming it now. I'm changing my mind. Oh, I just failed the first one too. Just by trying to refactor it, I ended up failing the first, which makes me sad. Oh, because the return. There. For the first retest, but then you said you're gonna. What happens with a private field with non-serialized? Yeah. Screw that field. That's what I'd say. That's what happens. What is the very next test section? Oh, long-distance field should return null. Oh, that one just passes too. Cool. Let's run them all again. Oh, I see. Some of these are hidden. But when I put number 4 in, it shows that. Okay, so technically number 8 is next. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, you know what? I think the one you're talking about, Legion, is one of the extra tests. If it's like enable all the tests, probably.
Deflagstreams säger
Oh, good. So
pff://codeshare.io
yeah, screw it then.
gateupy.
Yay.
Legion 18C säger actually, non-serialist private field isn't actually a covered test case. Legion 18C säger yes.
Yay. Ooh, did you reformat it or do your own solution or something? V-Bucks. Um, what? I'm really happy we were able to get the first 3
Deflagstreams
tests
säger
running.
jag får reference node cheating.
Okay. Oh, okay, good. That's cool. Alright, so let me just get rid of all the extra spaces just to make it look a little nicer. Don't need the not implemented exception anymore. Yay. Alright, so next, convert field to string. Implement this method to convert a field's value to a string in the format field name value. You can use this method as a helper for the serialized object method below. Okay. Wait, maybe I should make these not just like maybe I should make these not just like variables inside of this method, but maybe I should put them in the class. Maybe that would make sense. Let's try that. Oh no, maybe because I don't know. I think I might need them, but I'm not sure. Now all this red is all this red stuff. Cannot. Oh wait, no, I don't think I can do that outside of the. Yeah, I don't think I can do that.
Legion 18C säger console overlaying again.
Oh, sorry. So what I just did was thanks. What I just did was I tried to take these here and I tried to copy and paste them outside of the method and put them in the class, but then it didn't work and there was all this spread. I was like, I guess I can't. I guess they can't exist there. Maybe for the reasons you were talking about yesterday about like, oh, then the compiler wouldn't know how to, I don't know, like the order it should do things in or something, so they can't exist.
Legion 18C säger they have to exist in the method.
Okay. Object targets. Field. What is target supposed to be the value?
Legion 18C
Probably.
säger if you made the static fields in the class, they would only work for one case.
The static fields. Oh, because basically you're saying I can't have an object stored in the class.
Legion 18C säger target is the object instance with the field. Deflagstream säger also can I make mention of the control plus K plus D.
First control K, like, I don't know what actually control K is. D. Static fields in the class, it would only work for one. Target is the object instance with the
Legion
field.
18C
Oh.
säger like an instance of simple class
Oh.
with number field info.
But then how do I know the value?
Deflagstream säger it
Oh, so
formats
target will
the
hold the
part
value?
so it's easy to read, looks pretty, etc.
No, it has the object, so yeah, the object will hold the value. Right? Probably. No, the field has the value. Because it's the field. And then the target's the object. Okay, no. Okay, I think I get it. Oh. Simple class with number field info. Yeah. Control. Ooh! I did it! It looks prettier.
Deflagstream säger nice.
I don't know if I can do it in one line, but all right. But that is the. Why do I need the target anyway? Oh yeah, I know. To the value.
Legion 18C
Object.
säger fieldinfo has a get value method.
Oh! Field. Field has a get value method. Wait, let me just. I need the IntelliSense to help me. So maybe it's like this then. Maybe. Converge. But got field. Oh, it literally wrote field. Oops. Oh wow, it literally printed it out. I think I did it. How do you do it with like a dollar sign? I don't remember syntax. Oh.
Legion 18C säger console.
Console. Oh yeah. I'm bad at closing that. Okay, so it should be field info. Dot get value target. Wait, there's something wrong with this again.
Legion 18C säger no, it's field get value.
Oh, fields. The object wasn't here, but then fields? Field dot get value. Expected number 47. Got in 32. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they want those your names. Not what it's called. People. Remember to encode. Oh, that's so mean.
Legion 18C säger, so, you got the value from field info, where might you get the field name?
From is the value from field info. From type? Type of? Type target field? And this returns a field info, right? Type of? Maybe? Get type.
Legion 18C säger, field info describes a field, where might you get the name of that field from?
Like get type or something? I mean, oh, wait, no. You're saying that's like, oh, that's one of the things that's stored in the object actually has that in it. Oh yeah, which I can check because you even have the samples. This one has number. String. But I do need the type though, because I need to know if it's an int, bool, or string. But no, I don't need to do that. No, I need to wait. I
Legion
need to think about it.
18C säger, field info gave you the value of the field, might it have other information?
Maybe. I need his name, I guess. Like I need to know the variable's name, if its name is number label or enabled. But what is it doing right now? Let me see.
Legion 18C säger, maybe field info could tell you that.
Okay. Oh, I thought it would give me something interesting.
Legion 18C säger, the field info variable maybe.
Oh, the field. Okay, I could look at that like this. To string maybe? Or something? What would that do? I don't know. I'm just curious what that would do.
Legion 18C säger, https://learn.microsoft.com/app/system.reflection.field-info-frågetecken view är lika med ett bindestreck 10.0.
Oh, it still says in 32. Okay.
Legion 18C säger, field to string är lika med är större än int32 number.
Attributes. Custom attributes. Declaring type. I don't know if you have that like string stored somewhere in there, but otherwise it's just like, yeah. I still need to look at the type, then change it to. So regardless, I just need a type, right? So I gotta do it like that. Yeah.
Legion 18C säger, no, you don't need type.
Really? In 32 is a type though. But in a way, I'm kind of getting the type, sort of, by just two-stringing it.
Legion 18C säger, you're not interested in int32. Legion 18C säger, you want number.
But can I just be like two-string, and if two-string equals int 32, I just type, then I use number. Like, I'm re-putting the value. That's what I was about to do. um, or something like that.
Legion 18C säger, what if the field name is value or hoogie boogie?
If it was Hoogie Boogie, then that's a stupid build name. Oh wait, this whole thing is about using reflection anyway, about getting values of fields and information from stuff. Yeah. I think that is the field name, isn't it? The field name will be label number enabled. So I need the actual name of the field. I still know how to get it. I only know how to get like the value of it, I think. Let's see. I'm looking through that page now. Maybe I can find something. Oh, there's literally in this page of this list of methods that you sent me. One of them is pinvoke implied or something. One of them has pinvoke in the method name, which is fun. Um,
Legion 18C säger yes, field info has information about a field. You got the value of the field from field info. Can you also get the name?
I guess. Name. Oh, name. Wow.
Legion 18C
Name.
säger yay.
Yay. Tack, Bijan. Well, one of them passed. Oh, because the value ended up being true. But needs to be. Wait, what? Expected enabled true, but got enabled true. Oh. Oh, yours is. You expected it to be lowercase? Wait, isn't that just a. Is that just a typo in the test case? Shouldn't it actually be capital? Like, even numbers capitalized. Because you probably named the thing with a capital, so shouldn't the string be a capital? Or, oh, maybe it really should be lowercase. What? Let me see. I mean, the number one was fine with the capital. Because that's what the test demands. Wow, okay. Well, that's why I'm going to change the test so it demands something different. Okay, fine. Oh, I have to think about it. It's not like I can even like to lowercase this or whatever, because the first one wants it capitalized, right? Or wait, what was the value of the first one? Number? Oh wait, no, the problem is the field.name. No, it's not. The enabled is fine. It's the value in that case. Oh, this is so evil. Why would you do? Why'd you put all this stuff with formatting? This is not nice. How do I do this? Oh, is it? Yeah. Why it breaks sometimes? Okay, I fix.
Salt och Serenity
Okay, well,
säger
it's not broken
fast.
anymore. Oh, I'm using the wrong slashes. Oh no.
Region 18C säger yay.
Oh. I don't know if I need to escape this. I thought I did the at thing, so I'm using a literal string, so I don't understand why I need to escape quotes. Or maybe I don't need to escape quotes. I don't know. I'm just really confused with on that. Oh no, am I escaping? Do I need to double escape? God damn it. Oh my god, escapes are annoying. Oh wait, no, I'm supposed to have. Oh wait, I think I know what it is. I think it's just because
Legion
two
18C
quotes.
säger oh yeah, with snabel you shouldn't need to escape.
Yeah.
Legion 18C säger yes,
Except for
double.
this one, maybe. So confusing. Ah!
Legion 18C säger the one in the middle.
Oh yeah, the middle one. That makes sense. That makes sense. And that one.
Legion
Escape too.
18C säger you're
But then
still
everything should
using
be good. I'm so
snabel.
confused. Oh my god, all of these, maybe. This is actually so stupid right now. Maybe I should not have done string literal.
Legion 18C säger no stop.
I feel so confused. No, stop. Oh, you're still using it. Yeah. Yeah, I'm so confused. Backslash everything. Oh man, I made it worse. I made it worse. Okay, I think I just need to.
Legion 18C säger with snabel you do double quotes, note.
Oh, is that how that works? Slash double quotes. So this needs
Legion
to.
18C
Oh.
säger you
So
don't need
basically,
to
oh
do any
yeah,
quote escaping in
double
replace.
quote, double quote. Aha! And it failed. And it did a weird thing. Well, it did the quotes, so that's cool. Oh, it took spaces. Oh yeah, not space. I'm silly. I did the wrong thing. It's not space. It's supposed to be new line. What just happened?
Legion 18C säger
Wait,
you
no,
left
it's.
innan extra.
Oh, I need to do a new line with literally new line. some new line like that. Maybe. God damn it. Also, where the hell is this slash coming from?
Legion 18C säger correct.
Oh. Oh, there's a weird slash in here. Oh. It's my weird slash. Oh my god, I did it! Okay, that was actually kind of funny when I was slashing everything. I'm glad you were here to stop me from doing that, because we would have been here all day and all night, and I
Legion
just keep.
18C säger well done.
Thanks, Layden. And I just would have kept slashing everything until I eventually get it right, but I never would get it right because I need double quotes, and I would never just figure that out.
Legion 18C säger
It's
I'm
fun.
glad TTS was on for me to stop that.
Yeah, that was this crazy. It was funny. What's that thing? Shift KD or something to format for myself? Shift KD. Oh no, Control Shift KD?
Legion 18C
I don't
säger
know.
I think you actually had it solved using backslashes, but the snabel broke that.
Oh yeah. Oh, I think it's Control KD. Wait, let me test it. Let me screw up my spacing and then try Control KD. Okay, no, that's not the right command. Shift KD? No. Control Shift KD. No. I don't know how to. I don't remember. Control DK? Yeah. No, it is Control KD. Oh, maybe I have to highlight what I want.
Legion 18C
How do I?
säger Ctrl plus K plus D.
Is that? It's not working. I think. Look, see, I screwed up spacing. I'm screwing up my spacing now. Okay, here, ready? Control K DK. No, it doesn't work. I swear it did something earlier, but I don't know.
Legion 18C säger hold control, hit koden D.
I am. Hold Control
Legion 18C säger
DK.
in that order.
Yes. Yep, I'm doing that. Hold Control KD. Oh, not DK. KD. Oh, it matters. It matters. The more you learn. That's cool. Okay, cool. Okay, it makes me feel sad that I did
Legion
it like
18C
this.
säger I don't actually use that shortcut myself.
Hmm, it's kind of cool. It's a cool shortcut, I think. By the way, I just two stringed this to see in 32 a boolean, but I wanted it to just be the type. Like I did field type equals in 32, but that didn't work. So maybe I was supposed to do field type equals like type of in 32 or something. I don't know. I thought, okay, yeah. So I just did it like this because like, oh, I don't know how to get it to do it. I'll just two string it.
Legion 18C säger field type är lika med type
Type
of field.
of int. Oh, you still have to do type of on it. Okay. Hmm. Thanks, Yuchen. How many more tests are there? I think there's like, I'm just curious. This one runs a lot of tests. Serialized object task.
Legion 18C säger type of gets you the type object from the name of the type if that makes sense.
Oh, type object from the name of the type. But what if you just type into 32? Like, what is that? It's just the name? It's not really the type? Does it actually get the type, need type of, or something?
Legion 18C säger int32 is the formal name of int.
Yeah, but why do you have to go type of it? Why can't you just say int?
Legion 18C säger int is basically
Is what
just an
that's
alias
what
of
I mean.
int32.
Like, why does it have to be inside of the type of to use it like this? Because int is the type. Or I guess it just does, because that's just how the comparison thing works. Like, everything is kind of like a type of when it compares types.
Legion 18C säger because int is used for making variables and fields. Type of tells the compiler you
Oh,
want the
yeah,
type
because otherwise
object
it'd be used for
instance.
making those of that
Legion
type.
18C säger type är lika med type of int.
Yeah, okay, that makes sense. Retrieve all fields from the target object. Return them in a simple string format with field name value. Separate each field on a new line. Strings must be wrapped in quotes, and new line characters should be encoded as new line. But isn't most of that work done in the convert to field to string? No, not this part though. Oh, the whole thing's gonna be in a string.
Legion 18C säger yes, you can use that method in serialize object.
I'd retrieve all the fields. Target object. Reflection!
Legion 18C säger now you're making the actual serializer.
No. In every single field in the object.
Legion 18C säger type get fields.
Type get fields.
Legion 18C säger which type.
Field info? Maybe? I don't know. So I was using earlier, I think. Type. Object, then? I just didn't see it suggested as a thing. I don't think. Actually, what is target?
Legion 18C säger which thing do you want the fields of? Legion
The
18C säger
target?
geese.
Oh. Dot gets feeds me. And then that will return a array.
Legion 18C säger geese.
And then maybe I can like for each it. Or something.
Legion 18C säger geese.
For each. How do I do this?
Legion 18C säger for
I don't know if
each
to do it like
one
this.
word.
Oh, it's one word. For each, then I can give it any name, right? That's just a name I choose. Is this a variable name? Or is this like actual, forgot. What's target? Right? Or no? Maybe not that.
Legion 18C säger can. Legion 18C säger can't use target.
Can't use target. Yes. Okay. For each field.
Legion 18C säger also how do you mark a for each? It's similar to an if statement.
Parentheses. I guess.
Legion 18C säger geese.
Yay. For each.
Legion 18C säger what type if field är lika med.
What type if field equals?
Legion 18C säger what type is field asterisk.
Oh, what type is it? It's a an object. Okay. I think field info actually specifically. Does it even matter? Could I do object and that's fine? Like, will it give me what I'm looking for, or will it give me something else that I'd do better not to have?
Legion 18C säger field info.
Field info. Okay. Ooh.
Legion 18C säger you can use object, but then you have to cast to field info again afterwards.
Okay, yeah. I was thinking like at some point to use certain things, I'm gonna have to like cast it back into this thing. Okay. Field name value. So for each field, I need to convert field to string. So I'm going to use my own method, and each field goes on a new line. But what about the very last one? Is there a new line at the end of that one, or do I need to skip that one for the very last?
Legion 18C säger that's a good question that I'm not certain about right now.
Oh, well, we'll find out. Let's just do um, plus new line. Wait, active was V. Needs to be a string though. I think I need to make a string. There. Um,
Legion 18C säger it shouldn't matter if there's an extra new line at the end or not.
oh, okay, cool. Pen? No. What is this? Screw it. I think I could just do it like this instead. Equals. Plus equals. Build errors. Not all code paths return a value. Oh yeah, I need to return it.
Legion 18C säger what does the error say?
Not all code paths return a value.
Legion 18C säger good job.
Yay. I don't know why this is repeated twice in the. Oh, because there were two. Okay, I think I know. Oh, because it's from that. Never mind. It's from the Tesco stuff I was doing earlier. Also, somebody's test is 1819. Serialize an object with some fields having non-serialized attribute. Ah! Okay, that makes sense. So I'm supposed to skip those, I think, actually. Serialize an object with private fields.
Legion 18C säger It's coming full circle.
Yeah. And then expect it. Private field. Reflect upon my reflect upon my private field. That's awesome. But got nothing. Expected. But got nothing. Serialize an object with a null field. Ah, I want to do them in order. Visible, visible field, hidden, hidden field. It's going full circle. Right? I think I need to do this again. This type of thing again. Ah, except the field's down here. No, I don't need it in the for each. Field in no, it matters, yeah. No, that matters. Target. Target. Field. Field. And then there was like the serialization thing.
Legion 18C säger Have you considered that get fields can get both private and non-private fields at the same time?
That get fields. Oh, I have a method. I just get field by name. Was that what I want though? Because it returns. Wait, let me think.
Legion
Return
18C
private field.
säger
Return.
Get fields by name does not help you here.
Oh, instead of like just copying and pasting the code out of it. Oh, it does not help. It doesn't help me. Okay, sorry. I thought I could just recycle this and maybe use it to. Okay. Well, I know I need like this kind of thing. Regardless, down here.
Legion 18C säger Getfield binding flags, instance binding flags, non-public. Can you add something to get public fields as well?
Binding flags dot public, I guess, or not binding flags dot non-public. Oh, I can check if they're public. Wait, but I'm supposed to do the private ones. And the public ones. Oh. Well, but it's like one or the other. But they do have to do them both still. But I don't think I can
Legion
do them at the same
18C
time.
säger you're supposed to do the privata asterisk and
I guess
asterisk
it's
public
or
ones.
and public ones. Yeah. So I guess I could use or.
Legion 18C säger binding flags, instance binding flags, non-public binding flags, public.
Instance binding flags. What's the question mark?
Legion 18C säger what would that do?
If it's no or something? Well, that was the double question mark though. That's one question mark. I don't know. These look like bit. The one hyphen thing is like a bitwise operator, so I guess the question mark is another weird bitwise thing. But I don't know what that does.
Legion 18C säger type getfields binding flags, instance binding flags, non-public binding flags, public. What does that method call get?
Oh, both. What? Alright, I guess it means that if any of those flags are turned on, it'll take it, whether it's public or private. But then I don't understand why I need the instance flag. Remember when I was just trying to use the non-public flag and not use instance or static or whatever, and it still needed the instance flag? So I still don't really get that. That's
Legion 18C säger because there are instance fields and static fields.
oh. But I thought everything was just being combined into like one entity where it's like it's only looking for if one of these things is true. So regardless of if it wasn't instance or static, or no matter what it is, as long as it's like private, if that it's just looking for the one thing or whatever. Yeah, maybe it makes more sense like under the hood. But okay, okay. I guess I can do those both, and then maybe that'll. I still need to do the thing though where I what's up next? Question mark here. Oh, um, but then I need to change this part, I guess, to the type dot. Wait. Yay! I think I'm just gonna try to fix this, like, just fix the syntax error in this like if statement, and then I'm gonna head off and take a break, have some food and stuff, and then finish streaming later. Um, finding flag stars. It's instance. Let's get tight.
Legion 18C säger, why are you getting the field again?
Try to do the non-serialized attribute check. That's it. I'm just trying to get the non. Oh, I'm also trying to see if it's yeah, I'm just doing the check on the.
Legion 18C säger, you have the field already from yet fields don't you?
Alright. Oh yeah, I do. Field. Each field. If. But I need the binding. Oh, maybe I put that up here instead, actually. Like this. No, but I need the. But I also need to check the binding flags for public and non-public and instance and stuff too. Unless I'm supposed to skip the ones that aren't.
Legion 18C
Oh, I could just put
säger,
it up here
these
though.
bat the bindings up where you get the fields.
Should I put them up here? And then I don't need to do that, and then I can just put field.
Legion 18C säger, great, now what does the error say?
It says field is not null here. So like if
Legion 18C säger, no it doesn't.
what? Oh, that's what this is.
Legion 18C säger, stop.
Okay. The left-hand side of an assignment must be a variable property or indexer.
Legion 18C säger, you don't need to check for null here, yet fields does not return null values. Legion 18C säger, what assignment? Rewins ett säger, at Legion
Cha-cha.
18C cha-cha real smooth.
Oh my god, equal. That's so stupid. I'm not supposed to assign 0. Yeah. Oops. Oh, no reference exception.
Legion 18C säger yes, good job.
Oh, I just got an exception thrown, and then it ended. System.null reference exception. Object reference not set to an instance of an object.
Legion 18C säger can't see anything for the console.
Yeah, but anyway, the serialization as for the serialization test, I'm just gonna ignore and pretend that didn't happen. They passed, I think. Oh, I see. It's trying to do the. So this is all fine. The serialized object tests are fine. No, it breaks here. This is where it breaks. Serialize an object with a null field, and then it breaks. It doesn't even fail. It just breaks. But it was passing them all until this happened. Oh, here it is.
Legion 18C säger what line did the exception occur on?
I don't know. I think I have to run it again and get it to happen again. I'm not really sure how to find the line. Oh, line 110. I'm gonna get out of this. Line 110
Legion
apparently.
18C säger what happens on 110?
This was from earlier. Oh, yeah. Return field name. Oh, this is the else. Field.getValue. Oh no, I'm doing the thing with a null object again.
Legion 18C säger what does the exercise say you're supposed to do with null strings?
System dot return null. What is this one called? String? I don't remember. I think. I don't remember. I think I'm supposed to return null. Or skip it. Oh, it's doing the same thing again. Oh, it's doing this part again. That did not fix it at all. Just did the same thing. With 110 being the line that broke it again for this. Wait, a string is null. Wait, a string can be null, so I need to. If. How do I make sure it's not null? Um.
Legion 18C säger yes, field, getValue is returning on null string.
Oh.
Legion 18C säger something something use a variable.
Something something. Oh, variables. What are those? Just kidding. Okay. Oh, this again. Then I'm just thinking to myself, like, field type. So if I put a variable, then field info. And that's what's supposed to be. Field value
Legion 18C
equals.
säger is it the field info that's null.
Yes. I think. Oops. Or it's the no. Wait, what?
Legion
No,
18C
it's the
säger no, it's the
wait.
value of the fields
It's
that
the
null.
value of the field, but isn't that is that not a field info? No, the value is like a where's field info? Hmm. Wait, now that I think
Legion
about it, what is
18C
a field
säger
info?
no. Legion 18C säger that's an object.
Object that has information about the stuff, about the fields, like its value, but it's okay.
Legion 18C säger field info is class that holds information about a field.
So which things can be null? Only the strings can be null? And not the ints and the boolean. Can any of these be null? Nulls? Like which case do I have to look at? Do I have to fix? Well, it's breaking on this one, so I'm thinking it's just a string. It's like a null string. But can any? I think like null's really specific about what things can be null.
Legion 18C säger int and bool can't be null, just strings.
Just string. So I need to fix that. And this well, it says it was breaking on 110, but I don't understand why doesn't it break here, for instance? Because this one is like it should break, right? Because it's trying to do a thing on a null object, null.fieldType.toString, and that should break, right? Or maybe that is breaking there, but it's pointing to this line.
Legion 18C
That's confusing
säger
me.
field type isn't null.
Oh, that's the field type. Well, not field type, but oh, but field. Oh, that's the field info object. So that's fine. Oh, oh yeah. Okay.
Legion
It's the
18C
value.
säger
It's the
it's
field
a field
value.
info for a string field. It knows that it's a string, but the value is null.
The value is null. If field dot get value Can I do this? If not all.
Legion 18C säger You know how to mark a null checks.
Why can't I do this? Because it goes here.
Legion 18C säger Where does the go? Legion 18C säger Yes.
So if it's null, how does it want me to handle? I'm not sure how it wants me to handle. Does it want me to return nothing or return null? I think I'm supposed to return nothing. No, I should return null. I don't remember. Where's it in the box? Separate HTML.
Legion 18C säger What
This
does
is
the
so difficult.
exercise say?
I don't know. Field, string was erupting codes, new line character being coded as this. Separation field in the new line.
Legion 18C
Return them
säger
in a simple
Line
string with
19.
field name value. It just says to return it with field name value. Line 19. I have to go all the way back up there. Oh, oh, it's null without quotes. Oh, but why did it break here? Because this was just getting the value of the thing, which was null, and that should have been fine, right? You said you could get the value of null, and then you can't to string a null. Is that the problem? Like trying to string it?
Legion 18C säger And then you call replace on the null string.
Yeah, yeah. I'm replacing in case this. Yeah, I'm calling replace on it. What's wrong with that? Because it's just like, oh, if this exists in it, then replace it with this. But if it doesn't exist, then like it's, then it's supposed to just not do anything. I don't know. I would have thought that'd be fine, actually. But I think it's weird.
Legion 18C säger Actually, no, you can't call to string on a null string to begin with at all.
Oh, okay.
Legion
You
18C
can't even
säger
call that.
There's a difference between a null and an empty string.
Oh. I honestly thought you could call to string on it and it would print out null. This doesn't run either. Ah! Serialization convert failed to string field in. Not all code paths return a value. Not again. Line 94. Oh, okay, it's this stuff. It's this one again. I mean, else. Oh, okay, it ran.
Legion 18C säger
And the
What
null
else does
failed
the
because
exercise say
oh, the
you should do when
quotes.
handling
Oh,
null
you don't want
strings?
that. Okay. There! There! Now you have what you want for your arbitrary tests and formatting. Yay. Yay. Alright. I'll stop there and take take a break.
Legion
Okay, this was kind of
18C
fun though.
säger because of string with the content. Null is
Is a
a
valid
valid
string.
string.
Yeah, that makes okay. Okay, that was good. Thank you. Thanks, Legion. Honestly, this is really well designed. Like, it's so clever. They able to like create all this and the tests. So it's cool.
Legion 18C säger you're welcome.
I really appreciate it. Alright, well, I'll be back on later for part 2. I'm gonna have and take a break. And thank you guys for helping me. Hey.